Hi. Topic of this article: 5 college essay tips about organization. Published on the www.essayedge.com website. Editing and proofreading service for applications for admissions to college and graduate school. We give $25 with the promo code Best Editing. So, let's move on to maintenance. Although it can be intriguing to read novels or watch films that are presented out of sequence, your application essay needs to have a strong organization that is easy for the reader to follow. College essays that attempt to stand apart from the crowd by being too literary are certain to lose the attention of the reader. While college essay tips on making your essay personal are good advice, this does not mean that you should lose sight of the fundamentals of crafting an outstanding admissions essay. Begin with these college essay tips on having an essay that has excellent organization. 1. Create an outline. To many applicants, this step seems frivolous. The point is to create a great essay. So just write, and the college essay ideas will flow, right? Beginning with an outline will guide the writing process and keep you from wandering away from the purpose of your college essay. This doesn't need to be fancy at all, but it does need to be done. 2. Make sure your ideas flow from one to the next. Your college essay ideas need to be presented in a way that other people can follow. Getting feedback from others before submitting your college essay is an excellent way to know whether or not you're doing this effectively. 3. Be willing to make cuts as needed. It can be difficult to let go of a passage or paragraph, but sometimes the essay evolves in a different direction, and some of the original essay simply doesn't match what you have now. 4. Give organization the highest priority. If you get stuck in the writing process, return to your outline. Never sacrifice organization to achieve other things like having a particular theme or using a specific anecdote. 5. Don't skimp on the conclusion. After the work and effort of creating a great introduction and strong supporting body paragraphs, it can seem like there just isn't anything left to say. However, a strong conclusion is part of a well-organized essay. Use it as an opportunity to crystallize your main point to the reader and draw the essay to a strong close. Focusing on organization is the most powerful of all college essay ideas. Having a good organization within your essay will make the writing process easier and remove doubt as to the quality of your essay. Your college essay ideas, regardless of how good they are, will be lost to the reader if your college essay tips over into ambiguity. Don't expect the reader to get it or figure it out. Your college admissions essay needs to have a swift and clear presentation. End of article. Remember the promo code and get help with editing and proofreading documents with essayedge.com. Bye.